video going to present about OSI model. What is OSI model? OSI model is protocol for using connection between two computers. OSI model stands for Open System Interconnection. That protocol created by ISO. ISO stands for the International Standard the organization. Normally, in company have different protocol, such as the Max, the Apple company have different protocol with Microsoft company. So this organization for modify protocol is the same protocol and is also can connection to be the standard for protocol. There are 7 layers in OSI model. The first layer is physical layer, and the second layer is data link layer. And then the third one is the network layer. The fourth layer is transport layer. The 5 is session layer, and the 6 is presentation layer, and the 7 is the application layer. The application layer, this is the layer at which communication partners are identified. The quality of service is identified, use authentication and privacy and consider. And any content on data syntax are identified. This layer is not the application itself, although the application may perform application layer functions. It represents to service that directly support applications such as software for file transfer, database access, email, and network game. Presentation layer. This is a layer usually part of an operating system that converts incoming and outgoing data from one presentation to another. For example, from text stream into a pop-up window with the newly arrived text. This layer almost message security issue by providing services such as data excitation and comparison. It sometimes called the syntax layer. The session layer. This layer allows applications on different computers to establish, use, and end a session connection. This layer establishes dialogue control between two computers in a session, regulating which side transmits and when and how long it transmits. The transport layer is handle oral recognition and recovery, manage the end-to-end control. For example, determining whether all the packets have arrived, and the other checking is ensure complete data transfer. The network layer. This layer handles the routing of data, address, message, and translate logical address and names into the physical address. It also determines the route from the source to be destination computer and manage traffic problem. Flow control, such as switch routing and controlling the congestion of data packets. The layer 2, the data link layer. This layer packet raw bit from the physical layer into the frame, logical structure packet of data. It is responsible for transferring frame from one computer to another without order. After sending a frame, it waits for an acknowledgement from the receiving computer. The layer 1, the physical layer. This layer transmits bits from one computer to another and regulates the transmission of the stream of a bit over a physical medium. This layer defines how the cable is acted. This layer defines how the cable is attached to the network adapter and what transmission technique is used to send data over the cable. So, enough for presentation about OSI model. And then thank you very much for pay attention. And then don't forget to subscribe my channel.